Want to improve your English speaking skills but don't have anyone to practice with? What if I told you there is an app that connects you with real English learners from around the world, anytime, anywhere? Stick around because today I am going to show you how you can practice speaking English every day using an amazing app called PeerUp. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Chaudhary and welcome back to my channel. Let's first understand what is PeerUp. PeerUp is a super helpful app designed especially for English learners. Whether you are a beginner or at an advanced level, it gives you the confidence to speak with real people through live audio or video conversations. It's perfect for daily English practice without feeling nervous or judged. Now, let me quickly walk you through how it works. First, download the PeerUp app from the Play Store. Sign up and choose your English level. Now, the best part, you can either join a live conversation room or start a one-on-one call with another learner. Each conversation is timed, so it's short and sweet. Perfect for practicing without pressure. There are also interesting conversation topics provided, like travel, food, hobbies, daily routines, and more. So you never run out of things to say. Here is what makes PeerUp amazing. You practice real conversation with real people. It builds your fluency, confidence, and listening skills. You meet English learners from different countries and cultures. It's like a global classroom, but way more fun and interactive. And if you are shy, no worries. You can start with text chats or join group discussions before doing one-on-one calls. Now it's the time to show you a demo, how this PeerUp app actually works. Okay everybody, so I have installed this app called PeerUp in my tab, and now I am going to connect with a person where I will be talking and practicing speaking English. Have a look. Now this app is finding a partner for me. I'm waiting.
Morning.
Very good
Good
morning.
morning.
Am I audible?
Thank you. Where are you from? Yeah, you are audible.
Oh,
Am I
that's
audible?
great. Yeah, you are also. I am from Delhi. What about
Okay.
you?
Okay. Yeah, I'm from Bihar, from India.
Oh, that's awesome. May I know your name, please?
Yes. So, yes, Priyanka. Yeah, continue. Sorry.
So, as it is showing
Yeah,
here,
Miss
your
Priyanka.
name is Hassan Alam. Is it right?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
you are right.
All right, Hassan. Nice name.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Your name is also very sweet.
Thank-
Priyanka, I think can I say Miss Priyanka? Is it no any problem, right?
No issues.
Hello.
Yeah, no issues with
Okay.
that.
Okay. So Miss Priyanka. Okay. Yes. Yes, Miss Priyanka. Would you say something about you? The little introduction.
Yeah, sure.
Would you like?
Yeah, definitely. I am Priyanka Chaudhary and I am from Delhi.
Mhm.
And I have
Okay.
done my post graduation in English literature.
Great.
And I love listening to music, traveling as well.
Okay.
What about you?
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you saying about you. My name is Hassan.
All
As
right.
you seeing in your screen, they're showing my name is Hassan Alam. I am from
Yes.
Bihar. I already told you.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm talking from Kuwait country, GCC. You heard before the country name,
Yeah.
Kuwait country.
Yeah. Right.
Did you have? Okay. Okay, so I am here working as HSC engineer, safety engineer in oil and gas as a safety engineer.
That's
More
wonderful.
than 13 years I'm living in Kuwait.
Oh, great. And so, how's your
That's
experience
it.
living there?
Yeah, good, good. Can say here is the GCC in country is the seventh country total in
Okay.
Saudi and Bahrain and Qatar, but the all of them, the
Mm-hmm.
Kuwait is more freedom comparatively to the Saudi. Like
Okay.
the Saudi, there is the more strict there the rules,
Right.
but here in Kuwait is given the flexibility. So
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason of the other community, the people like the Hindus or like the Christian or other communities, people also much more like to live and work here.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So
So it
and
means you're
second thing can
enjoying
say
living
here
there.
is the yeah. Sorry, yeah. Ask what are you asking?
So you mean that you enjoy living there?
Yes, you can say
Nice. And Hassan, how long
it's
have you been using this
it's
app?
yeah, only 5 days. I think 4 or 5 days. 4 or 5 days. Recently, I have been using this apps.
So how's your experience using
Actually,
this?
yeah. This apps is very can say fantastic
Mm-hmm.
for me. Awesome. So one day I watched the one video. What the one lady, very good communicator.
Okay.
So see conversation one to one with podcast like
All
so I
right.
heard about for these apps it's very good so other countries also the people can get in these apps so just I started for the only 5 days 4 or 5 days
That's wonderful. And I
and
believe
yeah
it is really helpful
yes
improving our English communication skills, right?
yes and this is my fourth or fifth call and luckily I got the everyone
Yeah.
they all were or they all are
Okay.
for me the all are the good communicator
Oh,
better
that's
than me like you also
oh, thank you so much. And it's really grateful that you found this app really helpful and you are
yes
loving using this app.
yes
Wonderful.
loving and this apps you can say it is not the paid application first of all it's good
Absolutely.
for all
Yeah.
so who don't have money or who having the financial issues they also can use these apps and they can improve their communication
Absolutely.
their communication
Yeah.
and second thing is it's depend upon also the person what they are searching the few people's or they are searching for the boy for searching for girls the girls for searching for the boys and this
Right.
thing
Absolutely
but
correct.
really this apps is very helpful so should be always used in a good way
Absolutely. The
should not
best.
be for
Right.
entertaining should not be entertaining you if you are spending the time so you always try to you get earn something you get the knowledge from there
Right. Right. Absolutely
should be
correct.
share your experience or get the some experience also so
That's correct.
this is my opinion what's your opinion and how have you been these apps you are using
This is the first time I'm using this app, and I
okay
heard a lot about this app that it works free of cost and you can easily connect with
yes
people and you can improve your English speaking skills. And here you can talk
correct
to real people, humans are there, and
yes
it is
not
going
ai correct
absolutely yes. AI is also there, but for that we need to pay.
yes
Yeah,
correct
but for connecting with the people, I mean, we do not need to pay a single penny, right? So that's what I liked
yes
about this app, and I wanted to give it a try. And this is the first
okay
call
yeah
that I am making, and I got connected with you, Ehsan.
okay so Miss Priyanka so how many months or years you are using this, or you are using this app?
This is my first time, as I said.
This is first time and first I am caller.
Yeah, you're
Means I'm
right.
receiver person. I'm caller
Yes,
person.
yes, you are the first
Oh my
one
God.
I'm talking to. And I'm finding this app really
Okay.
helpful, and it is really gonna help me to improve my English communication skills, my pronunciation as well. I can hear people also speaking English,
Yes.
and because if the app is not
Yes.
there, it's not easy for us to find the English speaking people around us, right? So this app actually helps us
Yes.
creating that environment around us where we can practice speaking. Here are my quick few tips that will help you using this Pair Up app effectively. Use it at least 15 to 20 minutes a day. And don't worry about making mistakes. Just focus on speaking more. Use new words or phrases that you have learned recently. Be polite and encourage your speaking partner too, because you're both learning. If you are serious about improving your English speaking skills, Peer Up is a game changer. Download it today, start speaking confidently, and see the difference in just a few days. And if you have already used Peer Up, let me know in the comments what your experience was like. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing English learning tools and tips. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.